Welcome back to Wallpaper Land. Today we're going to show you how to transform your walls with stick wallpaper. This is an easy and affordable way to give any room in your home a fresh, stylish look. So, let's get started. Materials you'll need. Before we begin, let's gather the materials you'll need. Stick wallpaper, measuring tape, utility knife or scissors, smoothing tool or squeegee, level, pencil, cleaning cloth or sponge, preparing your wall. First, prepare your wall. Clean it thoroughly to remove any dust or grease, which can prevent the wallpaper from sticking properly. Measuring and cutting the wallpaper. Next, measure the height and width of your wall. Unroll your wallpaper and cut it to the correct length, adding a few extra inches to the top and bottom to ensure a perfect fit. Use a level to draw a straight vertical line on the wall where you'll start applying the wallpaper. This will help you align it correctly. Applying the wallpaper. Now, it's time to apply the wallpaper. Peel off a few inches of the backing and align the top of the wallpaper with the top of the wall using your vertical line as a guide. Slowly peel off the backing while smoothing the wallpaper onto the wall with a smoothing tool or squeegee to remove any air bubbles. Continue this process until the entire strip is applied. Finishing touches. Once all the wallpaper is applied, use your utility knife to trim any excess at the top and bottom. Smooth out any remaining bubbles or wrinkles with your smoothing tool. If you need to reposition any sections, gently peel the wallpaper back and reapply it. Cleaning up. Finally, clean up your workspace and admire your work. Your room now has a fresh, stylish new look thanks to the stick wallpaper. And that's it. Sticking wallpaper is a simple and effective way to transform any room in your home. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Wallpaper Land for more home decoration tips and tutorials. Have any questions or want to share your wallpaper projects? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.